ASUS ROG Phone 2 is the smartphone from ASUS, and it comes with a unique configuration on the market today. Powering the ASUS phone is the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is an upgraded version of the Snapdragon 855 chip with increased CPU and CPU frequencies. Combined with 12 GB of RAM memory and up to 256 GB or 512 GB of internal memory, the UFS 3.0 memory standard helps to read and write data quickly, providing fast application opening speed. Not stopping there, ASUS also partnered with game publishers to optimize the experience on ROG Phone 2. Among them is Tencent. The extremely popular publisher PUBG Mobile has announced many games that support 120Hz screens. ASUS also allows optimizing settings to give optimal performance for each individual game. You can adjust the manual or to automatically by default parameters such as CPU clock, feature to block call notifications or messages, text while playing. To ensure stability for wireless networking, ROG Phone 2 is equipped with up to 4 antennas, double that of today's top smartphones. To provide an enjoyable gaming experience, the manufacturer has used a 3D vapor chamber cooling system and a cooling system that works externally to enhance cooling performance. ASUS ROG Phone 2 is an Android phone with a 6.59-inch AMOLED screen, Full HD Plus resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate, surpassing all competitors on the market today. This is a 10-bit screen capable of displaying high-quality HDR content, calibrated by the company with delta less than 1 color accuracy. Delta less than 2 is almost indistinguishable with the naked eye from reality. ASUS says some gamers are not satisfied with the quality of the ROG Phone microphone while playing games and live streaming, so this time it integrates up to 4 microphones to increase the clarity and noise resistance. ROG Phone 2 uses a dual vibrating motor, mimicking the feel of a console controller, thus delivering a gaming experience that no other machine has. An equally striking feature of the ASUS ROG Phone 2 is that it has a battery capacity of up to 6000 mAh, larger than most smartphones available on the market. ASUS ROG Phone 2 lets you play games comfortably without worrying about plugging in your device. ASUS Hypercharge technology allows 6000 mAh to recharge within 58 minutes using the included 30W charger. In addition, ROG Phone 2 has an in-screen fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Many support accessories included ROG Kunai controller with modes like regular handheld, wireless gamepad motor connected to peripherals to experience the game on the computer screen. The second accessory is Twin View Dock 2. When connected to this device, users will have a second 120Hz touchscreen, an additional cooling fan and an additional 5000 mAh battery to operate the accessory system. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.